Hey guys, how are you all? Myself Akram from Angibul again with another video. Today's video is going to be related to business review. The review is going to be related to U Broadband of Visakhapatnam. So in today's video, we are going to check out with the advantages and disadvantages of using U Broadband services in Visakhapatnam. So basically, I was using these particular services since a long time. So there are few of the advantages and there are few disadvantages which I have found, and I would like to say the definition of a business reviews over here because this is the first video which I am creating related to this. And in previous video I have already done screen recording with the title as live review of U broadband connectivity in Visakhapatnam. That is around 1 hour of screen recording, and you can find how internet is working according to that particular video. So let's check out the advantage at first. That is, whenever you talk about internet services, the very first thing comes with the plans, and the next thing comes with the providing connectivity, and the third thing comes with services. So related to the plans, I would like to say that the plans are pretty good, and as of now I'm actually using 100 Mbps of connectivity. So over here I would like to say that there is a bit more data which I'm using, and I am pretty happy with their plans. And the next thing is basically related to the connectivity, that is connecting to your home or your business. I would like to say that they are pretty fast in providing the connection. The third thing is related to services. This where most of them doesn't understand the issue. Basically, whenever you get connectivity, the very first thing you need to understand is you're getting correct speed from internet service provider, but the issue is basically between the connection, that is from internet service provider server to your router. The problem can be from anywhere, and this is basically technical issue. So I have already explained about how to check out with internet connectivity, that is by using ping and also by using a tracer to check out with the number of hops. So these are not much technical parts, but I would like to say that just check out with my previous video that is having the title as quickly solve your internet connectivity issues. So next, coming to my part where I faced these issues, is basically I had to call at least 2 times per week to get technical support. The reason over here is internet gets disconnected completely and I was unable to have any access to it. Very first thing you can do is raise a support ticket because they have app, or you can call directly to the local technical person to check out with the issue. However, I found that they doesn't check with that particular app information much of the time. So the third option is directly contact customer care and complain about the technical person and also complain about the internet services. Obviously you are going to get the technical support as you require. Over here, not only that, there are many other issues, just like they were from around morning 10:30 to evening 5:30, and if your internet gets disconnected at around 6 o'clock, and if you contact the technical person directly, they doesn't pick up your call, or if they do pick up your call, they easily say that their work is completed for today and they are going to check out with the issue tomorrow. That means from 6 p.m. of that particular day till next morning 10:30 a.m. you will not be having any internet. That is one of the biggest issue with this particular internet service provider. And even if you have any issue at afternoon or evening time of Saturday, then it will not be solved till Monday. And I would like to say that complaining 2 times per week or contacting the technical person 2 times per week is very common. Each and every location is not same for getting technical support. In previous location, I was able to get technical support very easily, where at starting even they are not providing proper services, and after some time they found the issues that is from their end itself, so they are ready to come to my location to check out with the issue and provide the services properly. At that location also I did not get any issue because they were monitoring my connection, and even on Sundays they are providing support for me. So I'm going to show my usage. If your usage resembles my usage or even lower, then you can basically go with these plans. So this is one of the very first business review from my end. I would like to say that business review does mean I will be reviewing about any business based sales till support. So this is for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please smash that like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on that subscribe button to support my channel. Please consider sharing with your friends if you consider this video useful. So this is for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Have a nice day, and finally be unique to be unkickable.